Guys, see the connection. We are connecting the pressure switch.
Omega Chase. Anasema hakuna iko.
Nimesha kuwekea ndio hii.
Unaitwa nani?
Ndio.
Unaitwa? Optic.
Appliances.
No problem. Utaiona tu.
Utaiona vitu sika hapo.
Kichwa yangu saa hii. Pia iko mzuri.
You have to put a ring here. There's a washer that you need to fix it.
Oh, inside.
Yeah, inside.
Guys, this is a booster pump motor. We have already rewinded the motor. Now we are connecting the pressure switch. See,
This one first.
guys, if your pump is not working, you can call us, reach us, so that we can come and check your pump. We check the condition, the pressure switch if it is okay. We inspect the motor. If it is fault, we can rewind it. So guys, continue watching and see how the motor is repaired. Inside the motor we have brass, so you need also to check if the brass is okay. See the engineer, our engineer is preparing. So when you are repairing the motor, you need to have tools. See, we have spanners, we have screws for tightening, we have pliers, we have hammer. See, even cable we have. Need also to check the starter. That is the starter, you see. He is checking the starter. See the starter. This is the starter. When I talk about starter, this is pressure switch and the motor inside. So guys, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to our channel, just go and subscribe, share, like and comment. Guys, we need your support. Without you, we can't go anywhere. So continue supporting our channel, our YouTube channel, Optic Appliances. So guys, Thank you for watching and be blessed. Bye.